If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the advanced settings of a PDF conversion settings preset in Adobe Acrobat, click the Advanced Settings category underneath the expanded view of the PDF conversion settings preset in the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. The Advanced PDF conversion settings determine which document structuring conventions or DSC comments to retain in a PDF and specify other PostScript conversion settings. DSC comments, which help when printing PDFs, contain information about the file and its pages. The advanced settings are a series of checkboxes within two Options and Document Structuring Conventions DSC sections, which you check or uncheck to enable or disable the setting, respectively. To default to using settings within a PostScript file versus using settings within the current PDF settings file, check the Allow PostScript file to override Adobe PDF Settings checkbox in the Options section. To allow using PostScript X objects, which store tiny pieces of PostScript code when printing a PDF file to a PostScript printer, check the Allow PostScript X objects checkbox. To improve the quality and reduce the file size of PDF files containing gradients by converting them to smooth shades, check the Convert Gradients to Smooth Shades checkbox. To reduce the control points needed to render CAD drawings, improving their rendering in the resultant PDF, check the Convert Smooth Lines to Curves checkbox. To use the copy page operator defined in PostScript Level 2 rather than in Language Level 3 PostScript, check the Preserve Level 2 copy page semantics checkbox. If you have a PostScript file and check this checkbox, a copy page operator copies the page. If unchecked, Acrobat performs the equivalent of a show page operation but does not reinitialize the graphic state. To retain any overprint settings in files converted to PDF, check the Preserve Overprint Settings checkbox. If enabled, to also prevent overprinted objects with 0 CMYK values from knocking out CMYK objects beneath them in the PDF, check the Overprinting Default is Non-Zero Overprinting checkbox. To embed the PDF conversion settings preset, this .job options file, used to convert the PDF as an attachment in the PDF, check the Save Adobe PDF Settings inside PDF File checkbox. To process compressed JPEG images already compressed with DCT encoding without recompressing them, check the Save Original JPEG Images in PDF if possible checkbox. Unchecking this checkbox improves performance as only decompression occurs, not recompression. To save a PostScript job ticket which describes the file within the converted PDF, check the Save Portable Job Ticket inside PDF File checkbox. To send a prologue and epilogue file with each PostScript job converted, check the Use Prologue PS and Epilogue PS checkbox. To process any DSC comments within a PostScript file, check the Process DSC Comments checkbox in the Document Structuring Conventions DSC section. To show and log any DSC comment conversion problems, check the Log DSC Warnings checkbox. To keep originating EPS file information, check the Preserve EPS Information from DSC checkbox. To keep the information needed to replace a for replacement only FPO image or comment with a high resolution image located on servers that support Open Prepress Interface or OPI versions 1.3 and 2.0, check the Preserve OPI Comments checkbox. To keep originating document properties like title and author in the converted PDF, check the Preserve Document Information from DSC checkbox. To center an EPS image and resize the PDF page to fit closely around it, Check the Resize Page and Center Artwork for EPS Files checkbox. This setting only applies to jobs converting a single EPS file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.